Drug addiction is one of today's major scourges, posing a significant threat to public health and leading to the breakdown of individual identities. It fosters environments conducive to various forms of human degradation with repercussions that extend into crime and disorder. The use of drugs has severely disrupted mental health and social stability in society, thereby ruining the young generation everywhere. In recent weeks, the Anti-Narcotics Task Force, in collaboration with the State Police of Meghalaya, has intensified efforts to apprehend offenders, particularly in Shillong city. Acting on reliable information, the team arrested a female drug peddler this evening while she was traveling in a taxi towards Police Bazaar. The suspect, identified as Roshni Gupta, a resident of Them Yomolong, had been on the wanted list for her involvement in drug trafficking. The ANTF were able to seize 1,770 Yaba tablets from her possession and has registered a case against her.
Numbering ko mga